yung pag-pan nung kada clip, meron siyang certain consistency. That's why maganda siyang panoorin. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Junaid Nali. Ayan, besh. So for today's vlog ay papanoorin pa rin natin ang Journey to the Crown Challenge entry ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2024. And it's going to be Hiyas ng Pangasinan Province, Bruno Lalaine Tamayo Lopez. Nung pinanood natin yung video na nasa 41,000 views siya, and this challenge, they get to talk about themselves or introduce themselves and also to showcase their talents and skills.
Yeah.
So without any further ado, let's watch this.
Hi, I'm Rona Lalaine Lopez and welcome to my world. Sports have always been my passion, whether it's volleyball or basketball. The energy and teamwork these sports bring. Books are my escape. They fuel my imagination and expand my horizons. Cooking is my creative outlet, where I mix flavors and create something delicious for those I love. Hiking connects me with nature, reminding me of the beauty and peace the world has to offer. These are the moments that make me who I am, and they all reflect my journey to becoming Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2024. This is me, Rona Lalaine Lopez, and I am ready to shine.
Like, you know, I like the quality of the video. Like for me, it's kung ano pa ba palatable. Masarap siyang panoorin. Yung boses niya, encouraging, engaging, parang ganon. Nakakatch niya yung attention ko to listen to what she's saying. Diba? Like, exciting. Yeah.
So, well put yung mga parts. Consistent from very beginning. Parang isang video talaga siya. Isang package talaga siya. And when it comes to Rona Lalaine naman, ano siya, para siyang yung, alam yung ate mo, ganyan.
May ate ka?
Hindi, very Pinay na ate na, kumbaga, ayun na family, ganyan na.
Family-oriented.
Oo, family-oriented.
While engaging into sports, or ang sports kasi talaga is, natitrain yung discipline mo.
Very friendly lang talaga yung video. Na, parang you can, I don't know, hindi ko explain.
Para sa akin, yung gusto kong i-add dun sa quality ng video, or dun sa video is, yung pag-pan nung kada clip, meron siyang certain consistency. That's why, na maganda siyang panoorin. And also, the quality talaga na, di ba, yung quality and effects na ginamit is very friendly and hindi siya ganun ka-aggressive ba? Kumbaga soft and ano lang siya.
Ano nga siya, well put yung videos.
So, kudos and congratulations. Isa din siya sa top 20 ng challenge na ito, and we can't wait to see more of Rona from our province of Pangasinan, Agyaman Apo.
Nice! Just the Agina.
Isam-isam.
Kamandiag ko.
So guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan niyo kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next vlog.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!